Hello and welcome. I'm Faye from Titanz Interior, and today I'm with my two lovely clients, Lisha and Bala, and I'm proud to actually bring you on a tour of this beautiful house that we renovated a few months ago.
So after we got our house, we were looking around for an ID and eventually we found one. On Facebook we found a face company, Titanz, and he actually invited us to come to a flat that he was working on.
In fact, before we went to the show flat, Faye met me and decided to give me a quote to find out what my needs were. In the middle of the meeting, he got a call and he said, okay, just buy this one thing that the house owner needs and we'll just charge them the cost price. So that was when I realized that he's quite reasonable. He's not going to buy something and charge you 2 times.
So the entire process was very smooth, and not only that, it was very joyous. We were actually present in some of the moments when the house was being renovated, and everyone who came to do the work were very fun to be around also. We really hope that others can experience this joy as well.
So our whole experience with Faye and his team, Titanz Interior, is nothing short of positive. Their workmanship is good. They're responsible. In terms of rectification, they are still responsive even 8 months after our handover is done. I can assure you that with Titanz, you are not only getting the bang for your buck, very good workmanship. And I have not stopped recommending him till today. Just yesterday, 6 people contacted me on Telegram after I spoke about how reasonable and good this company is.
Thank you for your time, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you do have any renovation inquiries, feel free to contact us, Titanz Interior, for non-obligatory quote, and I will see you soon.